Hi, I'm Lauren Ashley Price. I'm living in the Netherlands. I've been here for 7 years. I am born and raised in South Africa, so still fluent South African. I will be taking part in the Moringa recipe competition, not only for my love for Moringa, but as well as the love that my mother has for Moringa. My recipe is inspired by my kids and by my mother. I have two young children of 2 and 5, and I try to incorporate as much nutritional value into every meal of the day, including the desserts. So I'll be making a dessert that is not only appealing to the eye, but that is also packed full of nutrition and that has tiny, tasteful explosions with every bite. So the recipe that I come up with is a layered Moringa crepe cake filled with vanilla cream cheese frosting, drizzled in homemade lavender syrup. So stay tuned and you'll see the outcome. Thank you.